Take out the machine and all its parts. The instrument is equipped with 2 backup fuses, which can replace a broken one. If the fuse is damaged, slowly lever the place that installs it with a screwdriver, remove it, and substitute it with the spares. Install the rack. Mount the connecting wire for IRF. Fix the connecting wire for body RF. Assemble the connecting wire for 40K. Put the installed handpieces in the rack one by one. Install the power cord. Press the power switch after all the parts are in place. Then the handpiece selection interface will show up. Click an icon on the page to select a handpiece. Select 40K. Parameters setting. Operating time range, 0 to 60 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes is advised. Energy range, 1 to 9, 3 to 7 is recommended. Mode A. Mode selection. A. Continuous working, which suits those with excess fat accumulation or firm fat. B. Discontinuous working, which serves people who want to reduce weight or with localized fat. You must apply ultrasonic gel evenly to a treated part before an operation. Press Start. Note, the client cannot wear metal objects or jewelry during treatment. Those with metal implants are prohibited from using the machine. Do not use the device aiming at the heart and parts with skeletons. Press Pause. Select Body RF. Parameters setting. Operating time, 15 to 20 minutes. Energy level, 3 to 7. Mode A. Mode selection. A. When clicking Start, the handpiece's energy level will reach the setting value directly, and the red light will be on. B. After clicking Start, its red light will flare when it touches the skin and energy level will reach the setting value slowly. You must apply radiofrequency cream evenly to a treated part before treatment. Press Start. Press Pause. Select IRF. Parameters setting. Operating time, 10 to 15 minutes. Energy level, 3 to 7. Mode A. Mode selection. It's the same as body RF. You must apply radiofrequency cream evenly to a treated part before treatment. Press Start. Press Pause. Turn off the equipment, unplug the power cord, and disinfect the used handpieces for future use.